Look, running Instagram ads for your business is super easy, and no, you do not need any followers to make this work and to actually be making some money. So that's great news. Now, the way you want to think about Instagram ads is essentially think about it like native platform on Instagram. There are posts, there are reels, there are stories, okay? So post is normally an image or series of image. Reel is a short form video where you can add some trending sounds. And story is essentially kind of that little circle that normally lasts only for 24 hours, and that only is shown to your followers, okay? And you can run ads on that too. Okay, so the easiest way to think about this is that when you're thinking of Instagram ads for your business, think about it that it's part of the Meta suite, so of the original Facebook business suite, okay? So in order for you to run Instagram ads successfully, you want to open what's called Facebook Business Ads Manager, or just Ads Manager. And through there, you can run these ads on Instagram and also on Facebook. I personally think that if you're going to go through the trouble of setting up a campaign and running ads on Instagram, you may as well just click one button and get them being posted on Facebook too. But that's just my personal opinion, okay? And then what's working best on Instagram really is short form video. Particularly recently, we've seen it work really, really well. And the reason why it works so well is because it's very versatile. You can have it inside Instagram feed, you can have it on Instagram Reels, and you can have it on Instagram Stories too. Once again, you are selecting this in a section that's called Placement inside Ads Manager. Now, why is it important to have a format that can work for Reels and Stories and for the Instagram feed too? The reason why you want it to work for all of these formats is because the more space you give the Meta algorithm or the Instagram algorithm, the easier it is going to be for them to find you the ideal buyers, okay? So if you just have one post and you can't have that post on Reels because it's a picture, or you can't have it on Stories because it's a picture, then it's going to limit your space as to who is Instagram going to show your ads to, and that is actually going to cost you more money, okay? So think about it this way. The more opportunities you give to Instagram to show your ads, the cheaper it is going to be for you to make a sale. I hope this makes sense. So what you want to start with is, first of all, Facebook Ads Manager. You are creating a campaign inside, create a little short form video that's maybe like 5-7 seconds long. If you don't have any video, one hack around it is that you create an image, you upload it to Canva, and you download it as a video. Like, ta-da, it literally just shows the same picture, but it shows it for like a few seconds. And there you have it. You are ready for Instagram ads. If you do have any questions, just comment below. I'd love to answer all of your questions, and let's run some ads.